Okay, what we're going to do now is this is the Mentor's Choice Awards, and we have various movies that we can feed in here. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to change this out and put in new content. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Is Tony Chow, one of our favorite animators. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm on the DI server right now, as you can see. I'm not, I'll take you through the whole process. So we go to Animation Mentor, click this, good. We go to Appearance, we go down to Editor. Now you've got your edit themes. We're going to go over here until we see Page Mentor Choice. Here, right here, see it? Page Mentor Choice .php. I can pull this little tab down so we can see a little bit more. Now, all this gunk up here, ignore, okay? That's not for users. But here you can see that we have duration of 32. That's how many seconds it is. File is going to be on the content server, content.animation mentor, and the name of the MP4 movie. Title is Tony Chow. Now, title is this right here, okay? Tony Chow. Description is here. This is a really, one of our favorite animators, and I'll take you back. One of our favorite animators, and that by the way is where the duration shows up. And image. Now this image is actually 80 pixels wide and 60 pixels high. And then that picture goes in here. That's actually that picture. Now, this picture here and this picture here are the same. So when I click on this guy, you can see that it does show the actual background for a minute. Well, no, it doesn't. But anyway, so these pictures tend to be the same. Okay, and there's no way to put a different picture on the backdrop as this. These two are the same. Okay, so again, we can choose the image. Now, remember that there's no comma there at the end. There are commas between each one, and try not to violate the integrity of this. Now, what I've done is I've given like 6 or 8 items here. Okay, if you want to add one or subtract one, note that there is no comma at the end here, but there is here. So to separate each one of these lumps are commas, but at the end there is no comma. So if you add one, what we would do is, my recommendation is always safest to add a middle one. So you'd go like this. You would copy it, space down, paste it in. Okay. Now you've got the now you have you've added another one. Okay, now this will work. Now what I'm going to do, just to prove that we added a new one, I'm going to make the comment, this is the one we added, and I'm going to say Dave added. Okay, then we're going to update the file. We're going to run back over here. We're going to reload. And we're going to scroll down, and there it is. Dave added. This is the one we added. And it runs. Okay? That's simple. Now, in the same way, if you wanted to delete, you would just grab here and knock one out. Okay? That's how easy it is. When you're done, all you do is update the file, and bada bing, bada boom. That is essentially it.